Ever noticed how gardening is supposed to be relaxing, yet here we are, sweating over a spade and wrestling with weeds? For many, the dream of chilling in a hammock surrounded by lush greenery often turns into a back-breaking reality. But what if there was a way to enjoy the blossoms without the toil? Enter the realm of low-maintenance gardening. Imagine plants that demand less yet flourish more. Today we're showcasing 10 botanical wonders that thrive on a touch of neglect. So buckle up as we dive into the world of plants that are more independent than a cat on a hot tin roof. First up, meet the succulents, the camels of the plant world. Thriving on neglect, these resilient wonders need minimal water, making them perfect for the forgetful gardener. With a variety of shapes and sizes, they're tough survivors. If plants had survival shows, succulents would be the undoubted stars. Next, inhale as we talk about lavender, nature's own air freshener. This delightful plant thrives with minimal fuss, just plenty of sunshine and well-draining soil. Beyond its charm in the garden, lavender stars in beauty products and culinary creations. Lavender making gardens and laundry smell better since the dawn of time. Hiding in the shadows, we find our next plant, the hostas. These resilient charmers adore the shade, flourishing in those dim nooks and crannies. Available in an array of sizes and colors, they're a shadowy spectacle. Hostas, because even the shadiest parts of your garden deserve some love. Now let's turn up the sun with the ever-cheerful daylilies. Thriving in almost any soil, these hardy perennials ask for little, but give a lot. Blooming tirelessly from early summer till the first frost. Daylilies, because who doesn't want non-stop flowers with zero effort? Peonies, the Kardashians of the plant world, beautiful but surprisingly low maintenance. Their stunning blooms require just a splash of sunlight and a dash of patience in their debut year. Peonies, they like to take their sweet time, but boy is the wait worth it. Next up, Russian sage, the plant that thrives on tough love. Revel in its resilience as it flourishes in scorching heat and arid soil, warding off pesky garden invaders with a fragrant defense. Russian sage, because sometimes being tough smells really good. Swishing into our list are the ornamental grasses. These graceful performers thrive with minimal fuss, swaying elegantly at the slightest whisper of the wind. They ask so little, just a spot in the sun and a sip of water. Ornamental grasses, they just go with the flow. Rosemary, not just for cooking, but also for forgetting in the garden. This evergreen herb thrives on neglect, preferring dry, well-drained soils and plenty of sunshine. Its drought tolerance makes it a steadfast favorite in any kitchen garden. Rosemary making your garden and your roast chicken unforgettable. Stepping into the arena is yarrow, the ancient warrior's first aid kit. Historically revered for its healing properties, yarrow thrives in adversity, growing in poor soil and enduring dry spells with ease. Yarrow, tough love from the past for your modern garden. Last but not least, Autumn Joy Sedum, the finale of fall. Flourishing with vibrant shades of pink and rust, this garden star thrives with minimal fuss. Perfect for those who prefer beauty without the toil. Autumn Joy Sedum, because every good show deserves a grand finale. And there you have it, folks. 10 botanical buddies that ask so little yet give so much. From the sun-loving succulents to the fragrant sweeps of lavender, each plant we've met today thrives with minimal fuss. Hostas, daylilies, and peonies brighten shaded spots and corners. Russian sage and ornamental grasses sway gracefully in the breeze, while rosemary, yarrow, and autumn joy sedum stand resilient through tough conditions. Remember, the best kind of plants are the ones that don't make you work too hard. Happy gardening!